how to skip a Microsoft account and create a local user account. First, press Shift F10 on your keyboard. Then, Windows Commander, click. Then we're going to enter CD space, then OOBE. Then enter. And now you're going to type dir, enter. And here you will see a list of files. Then you can scroll up to find bypass NRO this file. You see here, bypass NRO commander. Here, this one is what we need. So we're going down and we're going to type in bypass NRO and then press enter. It will say just a moment. And it will restart again. Then once you look inside Windows, under the Internet Connect, you will see something that says I don't have internet. But remember that last time we didn't have this option. So you're just going to wait. And now, because it has restarted, we're going to do it again. Just press yes, then press yes, then press skip. Then here you will see something that says I don't have internet. Just click on that. Continue with limited setup. Here you can enter your local account name. I'm going to type owner. Next. So if you want to type in password, you can, but we don't want to. So just skip it. Just type nothing in it and then press next. Here, next, next, and always accept it. Hi, getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So you can't turn off your PC. But this one is not half an hour. You just need to wait for a few minutes. Here we go. And there it is. Then you're going to settings, and you connect to internet. Network and internet, Wi-Fi, show available networks, Sweet Home, connect. And now it's connected. Now you can go to Windows Update. And you need to let Windows update by itself. So that's all for today. Bye guys. See you next video.